Kona. It doesn't concern you. Kona. Just go back to sleep. Thank you. Want me to throw it? Stop. Oh my god! Oh god!
What happened?
Come on, inside. You wanna come in? What are you doing?
Excuse me.
What are you two doing?
Catch it.
Okay, you're gonna get hurt. Okay.
His feet are off the ground.
Back up. Back up. What the hell?
Give me that now.
You actually.
Yeah, I love you.
I love him. I love him.
Oh shit.
Bruh, I'm so hungry I could eat a damn dog.
Kaiser. What are you doing?
I never introduced myself to you. My name is Mimi. Yeah. I never told you my name. Nice to meet you.
You don't even love me. You just want my snacks. What in the world was that all about? Why'd you just do that?
Goodness. Who are you?
Jameson.
Doesn't look like it's on all the way.
No. You are not yawning. No.
Be gentle.
Boy. Miles, what are you doing? Come on. Come on.
Mary, stay. Wait till I say go, okay?
No, Kitty, stay there.
You want broccoli? Broccoli.
No. No.
Show everyone how you smile.
Oh, shh. No.
No, come back.
Tiggy! Tiggy! Hey, 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 stupid! Hey!
Goose.
Nothing beats a Jet 2 holiday.
Hello.
Give me a kiss. That was a fake kiss. We are not starting this. No.
Are you cheating on me?
Hey. Do you love me?
Oh, my lips just get stuck in my teeth.
You good? Oh, Dan. Is that nice?
My. What the fuck are you doing?
No. No.
You look stupid. He said, no, you.
Who's a good boy?
A chili dog. Come here, big boy.
Oh, no! Whoa!